Hello everyone, my name is Vincent Broderick and I'm Head of Business Development for MasterTherm Heat Pumps. I'd like to welcome you to our webinar today. We are domestic heat pump specialists and our logo is Real Heat Pumps for Real Living. Just an introduction to the company if I may. MasterTherm's headquarters is based in Czechia, formerly the Czech Republic. The company was established in 1994, distributing and installing heat pumps throughout Czechia. Since 2006, the company has developed a worldwide network, currently manufacturing and distributing products to over 20 countries, including Ireland. MasterTherm Ireland offers all types of heat pumps, including split, compact, indoor split, air source, ground source, water source, and high temperature heat recovery systems. We specialise in bespoke design, and this is an important feature for the self-build market. We are proud of our reputation and ensure we keep a direct link between manufacturer and the homeowners to guarantee maximum performance, efficiency and longevity of all heat pump systems. All of our heat pumps can be connected to the internet for correct controlling and monitoring, again, a key benefit for the self-build market. MasterTherm Ireland includes a team of engineers with over a decade of experience of heat pumps in this Irish market. I'd like to introduce you to some of the range. Firstly, the Box Air Monoblock Compact range. We do a wide range of heat outputs from 6 up to 22 kilowatt, covering all property sizes, in single phase, and up to 35 kilowatt in 3-phase versions. The compact design ensures ease of installation and, most importantly, easy access for maintenance and service, which is sometimes forgotten. So it's built from robust aluminium, a frame with soundproof lining and powder-coated panelling. All units have a built-in building management system to control the entire heating system. Optional cooling is available via underfloor heating. This feature is becoming increasingly popular with low heat requirements in buildings and high temperature gains, particularly in new build houses in the summer months. It's ideal for houses with limited plant room space. All monoblock offers include online access, diagnostics, and interface with smart house management systems. We have a built-in energy metering for easy monitoring. We include high COP and SCOP and NS results, allowing easy compliance with Part L criteria for the new build market. All of our systems are built to clients' requirements and preferences, including, uniquely, a range of colours. We also do a range of box air inverter split and split combis. These go from 6 up to 35 kilowatt in variable heat outputs. All features of the box air compact units have the option of a de-superheater for high temperature domestic hot water heating, sometimes not available through other heat pump manufacturers. All major components of the system are located in the soundproofed indoor unit, making systems ideal for coastline areas with a minimum saltwater damage risk. Again, often forgotten about by other manufacturers. The minimal outdoor noise makes it an ideal system for multiple developments. The lightweight outdoor unit allows wall mounting in difficult areas. We also have the option of a built-in domestic hot water tank in our split combi units, making the system extremely compact, using only a metre square of indoor space. What is the de-superheater? Well, it's unique to MasterTherm heat pumps. The de-superheater uses high temperature waste compressor gases to heat the low pressure hot water up to 90 degrees centigrade. These gases are produced anytime a heat compressor is running. Even if the main low pressure hot water of the heat pump is at a lower temperature or the heat pump compressor is in use for cooling, Heating water of up to 90 degrees C is produced simultaneously without affecting the efficiency of the heat pump. The output of the desuperheater is typically about 20% of the system's output, and it's the ideal solution for households with high hot water demands. We also do a range of box air inverter indoor split units. These go from 6 up to 35 kilowatt in variable heat outputs, again covering a wide range of property sizes. All the features of the box air split and box air compact units include again our optional desuperheater for high temperature domestic hot water heating. All of the components of the system, located in the soundproof indoor unit, make the systems again ideal for coastline areas with a minimum saltwater damage risk. Crucially, no outdoor noise makes it ideal for inner city areas as well, or the again coastline areas, or areas, for example, with no outdoor space. We also do a range of brine water, water to water, and we call this the AquaMaster inverter range. It has a compact design and silent operation, allows the units with small outputs to be installed in areas again with no plant room space, in small dwellings. Smaller output units can even be installed in kitchen units. We can supply heat outputs from 1 up to 90 kilowatt. It's inverter driven, matching heat loss of the property. So the optional simultaneously heating and cooling option via the underfloor is also available in this range. And we also have optional passive cooling via underfloor heating. We can go anywhere from 3 to 110 kilowatt in heat output, or from 6 to 90 kilowatt in cooling mode. We also have an option in a shared ground source loop version, the AquaMaster inverter, for apartment blocks or for single dwellings. No ongoing expense for running costs or maintenance where there are landlords involved, and no heat losses. This is where apartment blocks are involved. Or for single dwellings, each house operates its own heat pump, and in case of cooling, heat is being returned into the collector, creating effectively an energy bank. The main benefits of a shared ground loop is each household using individual heat pump as they like and paying their own bills, of course. No maintenance and a minimal operational cost for landlords. And we meet the new NZEB requirements with ease. It has a smaller footprint and near zero noise level, allowing installation in tight spaces. I mentioned the kitchen units. It also offers all clients the benefit of a long lifespan. There's no need to use what they call heat interface units, which sometimes complicate systems. So it makes it more affordable and less maintenance solution. There's no heat losses within a central boiler room or risers, which can often be the case. It's also extremely environmentally friendly, using R410A or R32 refrigerant. The possibility of heating or cooling via underfloor heating or water-based fan coils is an option. Rejected heat can therefore be stored or used by other units in the heating mode. To sum up some of the range's technical features, first of all MasterTherm heat pumps use Carel parts. Carel is a well-known, recognised leading brand in the refrigeration spares business. All of our heat pumps can be cascaded. In other words, they can be fitted in sequence up to 16 units using a master LAN controller. The PLC itself is a master, so each unit request is selected based on the motor hours of the compressor. So it ensures, if you like, equal wear of all of the hardware in a plant room. All of our heat pumps operate with an electronic expansion valve, again a Carel part. All units and each of its components can be remotely accessed and monitored. So all of the data are stored in the heat pump PLC and can be accessed to optimize operation and identify potential issues. All units offer online access, diagnostics and interface with Modbus and building management systems. All of our split air to water and all of our ground source units can be fitted with the desuperheater, which uses the compressor's high temperature gases. So this feature, as I said before, allows high heating hot water temperature up to 90 degrees C without compromising the heat pump's efficiency. Split systems have all major components located in the indoor units. So this allows easy access. It extends the lifespan of the system, especially in corrosion sensitive areas like coastal areas we mentioned earlier on. All of our heat pumps can be used for heating and cooling purposes. Brine to water systems can be used for both simultaneously, again unique to MasterTherm. The MasterTherm range features also include is made to order, so whether it's a single domestic unit for a self-build or indeed an industrial cascade system. So it greatly simplifies the installation and the system settings and optimizes the performance and the efficiency. The internet cloud system that we interact with allows the creation of groups of visible units, so each installer or a maintenance company or a service engineer can access the cloud and access the system and the individual heat pump. All units are built from top of the range components and to the highest standard. Each component of each unit can be accessed without dismantling the complete unit, thus reducing service times and indeed costs. Plant room design and hydraulic setup is always optimised and approved by our own office in MasterTherm Ireland. This ensures the correct use and the best performance of the heat pump on site. We also have the option of control, monitoring and optimising via the internet. So the online monitoring and optimisation is highly beneficial because we want to ensure that the unit is operating correctly and we want to ensure that the system has a long lifespan. So for this reason, again uniquely to MasterTherm, we offer up to 7 years extended warranty once we are connected online. We keep a close eye on every system from the day of connection, directly or via a distributor. Distributor service companies or an installer have the option to create an app for each application and user. And you can see some of the layers right back from the factory to the end user via the internet. We also have the option of control and notification at various points within the system. So we can pick notification points and an app will get an alert and you'll get an email alert if there is any issue on the general operation of the heat pump. So each of the up to 500 measuring points can be marked, logged, and you can choose an email notification, unique in this marketplace. All of the events, by the way, are logged and can be identified and analysed in a history going right back to the factory cloud. So, to summarise MasterTherm Ireland's offering, an extensive range of air, ground or water-to-water systems from 2 up to 5 megawatt. We have air-to-water systems suitable for high corrosive environments. We mentioned saltwater coastal areas. Low, high or combined temperature systems, 20 up to 85 degrees Celsius. The full system sizing and design, including the building heat loss calculations, plant room, control strategy, design and commissioning, that's all part of our relationship with the programme from day one. Pre and post BER certificates and Part L calculations are also what we offer to the client base. So effectively, it's a turnkey project delivery. After sales support, maintenance, online analytics and settings are all part of what we do as a company. So, for you in the South Bill market, we'd like to thank you for listening to us and we look forward to your inquiries. Thank you.